Hello physio friends, I am Sudarshan Joshi, instructor from Braun Institute, and you are watching YouTube channel Braun for Physio Community. First of all, very happy World Physiotherapy Day. And you all are welcome in this World Physiotherapy Day special video. So let's start. Friends, World Physiotherapy was founded in 1951 on 8 September. सो इन 1996 ये डिसाइड हुआ कि 8 सितंबर को वर्ल्ड फिजियोथेरेपी डे की तरह डेजिग्नेट किया जाएगा एंड द डे मार्क्स द यूनिटी एंड सॉलिडेरिटी ऑफ ग्लोबल फिजियोथेरेपी कम्युनिटी. This year WCPT declared the theme of World Physiotherapy 2020 that promoting the role of physiotherapy in rehabilitation and COVID-19 and infographics focusing on delivery of physiotherapy via telehealth. Hereby, first of all, I want to congratulate Dr. Anand sir and Anubha ma'am for their startup venture PhysioCure that initiating telehealth services for physiotherapy in India. So friend, today's video are based on a European research that is prone position in acute respiratory distress syndrome by P. Pelosi and L. Brazzi. So story was started in 1974 when the Bryan suggested that anesthetized and paralyzed patient in the prone position should exhibit better expansion of dorsal lung region with consequent improvement. Just after 2 years, in 1976, Fiel and Brown showed a retrospective study that the prone position improved oxygenation in 5 patients with ARDS without deleterious effect. And just after 1 year later, Douglas et al. Demonstrate in a prospective study with a limited subgroup of ARDS patients that prone position could efficiently improve oxygenation in ARDS. So friends, prone position in ARDS has increased progressively and it is now considered to be simple and safe method of improving oxygenation in severely hypoxemic patients. In this article, author pick up few indicators that are closely related with the oxygenation and author compare it in both supine versus prone positions. So the top 3 indicators are alveolar inflation, alveolar ventilation and perfusion. So let's start with first one, that is alveolar inflation. So the distribution of alveolar inflation follows a gravitational gradient in supine position. The non-dependent alveoli located near to the sternum being more distended than dependent one posteriorly. Prone position causes more homogeneous distribution of transpulmonary pressure compared to the supine position and thus more homogeneous alveolar inflation. Now move to the next part, alveolar ventilation. So in supine position, alveolar ventilation is shifted preferentially to non-dependent part of the lung, whereas ventilation is more homogeneous and dorsally distributed, associated with more uniform perfusion, seem to be main cause improvement in oxygenation seen in prone position. The improvement can be maintained even when patients are repositioned supine. That's interesting. Now the next one is distribution of perfusion. So in patients with ARDS in prone position, the perfusion is probably more homogeneous and not dependent on gravity in compared to supine. So perfusion progressively increase from non-dependent to dependent lung regions. The next important indicator is cardiac mass. So in the supine position, the considerable fraction of both lungs is located underneath the heart and as such is subjected to compressive forces. By contrast, in prone position, only a very small fraction of either lung would be affected. Author presented few radiographs of end inspiration ventilation improved in prone compared to the supine position. And finally, author gives some conclusion. So first one is that prone position improve oxygenation in majority of patients with ARDS. Next, the improvement in oxygenation and respiratory mechanics is partially maintained after returning the patient to the supine position. That is more important. The last one is it is possible that prone position is more effective in secondary than primary ARDS. So author want to discuss regarding the effects of prone position and also describe some limitations of prone position for improved oxygenation. There is one suggestion by author that a discrete presentation in ARDS patients responded better in prone position than patients with a diffuse presentation. So friends, that was a article over the prone position and a very small position that can improve your oxygenation very well, as we all are knowing that acute respiratory distress syndrome, we all are facing this in this COVID-19 situations. So suggest your patients the prone position that improve oxygenation. थैंक यू वेरी मच. आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी प्लीज शेयर योर व्यूज इन कमेंट बॉक्स. एंड अगेन अ हैप्पी वर्ल्ड फिजियोथेरेपी डे.